Horizontal spin is effective. With horizontal spin, you can generate endless force because many people are putting spin on the ball. The force is all directed forward. It's just not enough friction. So, especially in the short game, it's very easy for us to hit without spin. If we apply too much forward force, it will either go out of bounds or the short ball won't clear the net. So the key to this shot is, in Lao Han's words, lateral friction. Because with lateral friction, no matter how hard you hit, you can see this ball will spin more. Lateral friction. When playing, they run back. Is it that he can't do anything? He won't make mistakes. He won't because of the long ball I sent over. So the more you brush sideways, the more spin your ball will have, especially your control over short balls will improve. Right, so during the serve, during the brushing process, if your brushing technique isn't good, your power comes from top to bottom and from back to front. This power is a push. When you can apply lateral spin, the distance of your spin increases. And what else can you do? What I think is really great is, we can apply force indefinitely, without holding back. No more pretending. I have students who are already performing very well. So what does lateral friction refer to? When we make contact with the ball, the racket is essentially flat against the net, creating friction in this manner. Many people ask about lateral friction. Is it like this? No. It's on the outside of the body. Move towards your body's center. Everyone, look at this ball. I didn't see it. It's both curving and floating. Apply force from the outside of your body to the inside. This is equivalent to using this much force. Look. Everyone, look at this ball. They all run back and forth. Look, everyone. It's short and spins. They all jumped back. They all jumped back again. No one paid attention to me. Everyone, please pay some attention. You like me, right? You like me. First, please click to follow. Thirdly, in the bottom right corner, share the live stream. Thank you all for your support. First, I am talking about increasing friction. To increase speed is very simple. Add some impact and you'll achieve it. How to strengthen my regular spin? My current spin isn't strong enough to increase the spin on my ball. This is a crucial point. As for whether the ball speed is fast or not, add some impact to your strokes. So today we talked about that impact. The ball has been served. You can serve as fast as you want. Right? No need to. Just check how fast it can be served. Relatively speaking, I think spin is the most challenging during this serving process. Remember, the lateral friction acts like a net. Friction from the outside of the body is parallel. Friction from the outside in. It feels like a retraction. The long ball is the same, retracting. This ball has a lot of spin. Side spin retraction. Side spin retraction. It's very floaty. It's very curved. It curves and has spin. Otherwise, we push too much from back to front. Does everyone often want to serve short, but can't manage to serve short? Why does he still jump out? He can still be attacked by the opponent. Does everyone experience this situation? I just made contact with it. He hit the ball out of bounds. Isn't that right? Go ahead and speak. Is that even possible? Right. Let's say the straight bat technique is the same. Brush the ball horizontally. Brush the ball horizontally. Many of the key movements are similar. You tell the ball, I've hit it. So why did the ball still go out? It's because of your power. This ball is particularly beginner-friendly. Even if you just graze it, it's also easy to pull off. Since the contact time with the ball is insufficient, the ball will come back. Right? It comes back. There's friction involved. It will definitely bounce back and won't drop off the table. It will absolutely bounce back. However, we need to practice a skill, which may take 2 to 3 years. We want to shorten the time. I don't have much time left, right? We want to make quick progress. So what should I do? You can increase the side spin. What about the spin? It has a short trajectory and spins. Bring it back. It's similar to the spin. Now you see, there's a difference here. One way is to walk here, close to your body. When I want to apply spin or increase friction, I need to extend my stroke a bit. Horizontally, I use a horizontal paddle, moving sideways. Everyone can see that this ball has a particularly good spin. The arc is low, and the spin is strong. This is how to play a long ball. This is how a long ball looks. This is how to play a short ball. This is how to execute a long ball. This is how to apply a brushing technique. Can everyone see it clearly? This is how to apply a brushing technique. That's not how you apply a brushing technique. Alright, can everyone see it clearly? That's not how you apply a brushing technique. This is how to brush it and pull it back. What does it correspond to? I'll do it slowly for everyone. Pull it back. This force, look at this ball. This force, look at this ball. It keeps going back and forth, this force. This force. So during the serve, if you often hit short and miss the ball, you will frequently miss your shots. You should follow my method and increase your practice. I noticed that Lao Han's serve often moves from outside to inside, following that trajectory. So when he serves, it curves to the right. Many players pull to hard and end up missing. Both long and short balls can generate increased lateral spin. That relates to your stay time, and your friction distance is more effective. It applies to your push or your hit. Right. Usually, you do this. You might need 2 or 3 years of practice to get the feel. You could feel it in about 2 months. So it's all about everyone's effort. First, extend your arm. Second, pull your arm back and incorporate your wrist. Let's do it slowly. You need to open up first. Then bring your arm in, close to your body. Add wrist flick. 1, 2. 1, 2. Check out the speed. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rub inward. You can't just rely on your wrist. Your arm also needs to provide support. Support your arm. Then the ball will spin and curve. It will also move horizontally. And the ball won't go out. Hit 1729 with a powerful spin. That's the feeling of not being able to generate spin. The color set can't be too curved. Look, this power is particularly easy to push forward. So we are used to using the forehand for serving. It's short, it can handle the ball. Do you understand? Let's go for a 6.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.